Hello, good day everyone. I am John Mark Javier as a student of ZDS PGC. Today I am going to discuss four important concepts from the course Understanding the Self. From Lesson 3, the Self from the anthropological perspective, I will explain the concept of dialogical self and identity struggles. From Lesson 4, the Self from the psychological perspective, I will discuss self-concept and the aspect of self-concept. Lesson 3, the self from the anthropological perspective. First, dialogical self. The dialogical self explains that we have different voices, roles, or perspectives within ourselves. This inner voice communicate with one another whenever we need to make a decision. Instead of having only one way of thinking, we consider different opinions inside our minds before choosing what is right. As a student of ZDS-PGC, I experience this almost every day. For example, when we have many assignments, quizzes, and reporting activities, one part of me wants to rest because I feel tired after classes. However, another part of me reminds me that I have responsibilities as a student and that I should finish my schoolwork first before relaxing. This shows that the dialogical self helps me balance my different roles as a student, a friend, and a family member. It teaches me to think carefully before making decisions. Second, identity struggles. Identity struggles happen when a person feels confused or uncertain about who they are, what they believe in, or what they want to become in the future. This is a normal experience, especially for teenagers and college students because we are still discovering ourselves. As a ZDSPG student, sometimes I experience identity struggles when I think about my future career and my personal goals. There are moments when I ask myself, did I choose the right course or am I capable of achieving my dreams? Sometimes I compare myself to other students who are more confident or talented than I am. Because of this, I may feel doubtful about my abilities. However, I remind myself that everyone has different strengths and different timelines for success. Instead of giving up, I continue struggling, studying, learning new skills, and improving myself every day. This experience helped me discover my identity and become a more confident and responsible person. Lesson 4, the self from the psychological perspective. First, self-concept. Self-concept refers to how we see, understand, and evaluate ourselves. It includes our belief about our personality, abilities, strengths, weaknesses, and values. Our self-concept influences our confidence, behavior, and the decision we make. As a student of ZDSPGC, I see myself as a hardworking and determined learner. I know that I am not perfect, and there are subjects that I find difficult. However, I believe that through the dedication, discipline, and continuous learning, I can improve my performance. Whenever I receive a low quiz score or make mistakes during class activities, I do not let those failures define me. Instead, I treat them as opportunities to learn and become better. Second aspect of self-concept. The psychological refers to how we view our body and health. The emotion aspect refers to how we understand and manage our emotions. There are times whenever I feel stressed because of deadlines, projects, and examination. As a student of Zamboanga del Sur Provincial Government College, I believe this concept helps me become a better classmate and a better person. By understanding myself, I can make wise decisions, overcome challenges, and continue growing towards achieving my dreams. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.